Good morning and welcome to Yoga G with Gillian. So today I thought I'd use the little small resistance band as they seem to be quite popular and just give you a few exercises that you can do with these. So you're going to need a little resistance band, small one. They come in different resistance, a chair, and either a yoga block or a thick book. So we'll get started. So you're going to place it around your feet, bringing it onto your shins. Just using the chair for stability. So just have it by your side. Make sure you're standing up straight, your core is engaged. Place the right hand onto your hip, left hand holding onto the chair. And all you're going to do here is you're taking that leg out to the side and down. So keep your right foot flexed out and down. So you'll feel this working the outer thigh. More. Two more. Okay, now just turn yourself facing the chair this time. Arms are straight. So this time all we're doing is you're taking that right leg back and bringing it down. Back and down. Back and down. Your core engaged. This will work your glutes. Two more. Keep going. Two more. Last one. And relax. Bring the chair to the other side, or you can just turn yourself around. So this time right hand onto the chair, left hand onto the hip, and this time keeping the left foot flexed to get out to the side and down, out and down. Get you ready for the summer. Tone the thighs and the glutes. Last one. Turn yourself around. You should feel that on your legs. I know I do. So keep the tailbone tilted in and under, core engaged. Take that leg back. Tap the toe down, back and down. 7, 8. A few more. Last one. And relax. Now you're going to walk like a penguin to the wall, and we're going to do a few exercises at the wall. So we're going to have our hands spread wide, and all you're going to do is bend into the elbows, so it's like a push up at the wall, bending into the elbows and back. Two more. Two more. Last one. Now I want you to move your hands in. This time we're going to do tricep dips. So you're going to bend into the elbows, bringing the elbows down and up, down and up. Four more. And release. And we're going to do our chair thing once more. So bringing it back onto the left side. When you're ready, taking the right leg out to the side, keeping the right foot flexed, just resting on the chair. 2. This is our second round. You'll feel this on your legs over the next day or so. Another 4. Last one. Turn yourself around, face the chair, tilt the tailbone in and under, engage the core. Then you're going to take that right leg back, bring it down. Last one. Swing the chair around to the opposite side, or you turn around. Just going to readjust my band to take it down slightly. This time left hand on left hip. Keep the left foot flexed to get out to the side. Last one. And turn round. Feel that on my legs now. Tilt the tailbone in and under, engage your core, take that leg back and down. So you want to keep your chest lifted here, so you're not rounding down, you're keeping your chest lifted. Two more. And then place the chair to the side. Once again, penguin your way to the wall. Hands spread wide, coming into your wall push-up. Walk the legs back as far as is comfortable. When you're ready, bend into the elbows and push up. 6. Another 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Now walk your hands in so they're shoulder width apart. This time working the triceps, elbows coming down towards the wall, and then pushing up. Keep your tailbone tilted in and under, keep your core engaged so your spine is straight. Another 6. You'll have nice toned arms as well as legs. Last 3. And release. You should feel that on your arms and legs. We're going to come down to the floor. We're going to sit on the mat. And we're going to place our block just to the side. Again, adjust your little band if you need to. Placing it to the left side, you're going to sit up tall. So I don't want you rounding here, try and sit up tall. Use your hands to support you if you need. And all you're doing is you're taking that leg over and out to the side and back. Out to the side and back. Seven. We'll do another 3. I know you might be feeling it. I know I am on the outer thigh. Last one. Okay, and just take the block, place it to the side, or say you could use a book if you haven't got a yoga block. Use your fingertips to support you, so sitting up tall, lift, and back to center. So as well as working our core here, this is working our hip flexors, the legs. Another 6. Sorry, I'll say another 4. We did last one. It's Just getting you to do too many on that side. Before we do that again, we're just going to reach our arms up. Keep that length in your upper body while you hinge from your hips forward, just taking hold either of your shins or your feet, just to stretch out the legs and the back. Before we do that once more, take a few breaths here. And then come back up, place it. Lock on the left, push through the fingertips, sit up tall. When you're ready, take the leg over and back. Another 4. Last one. And switch to the opposite side. Of course, at any time you need to stop and take a breath and then rejoin in. Onto this side, lift, extend, back to center. Another 4. And when you're ready, inhale the arms up. Reach, reach, reach for your feet. Stretch right up the back body, up the backs of the legs, into the lower back. And right up the back to stretch it all out. And release. Take the band off this time. Stay seated as you are. So this time we're just going to work our arms again, placing it around your left foot. I'm just holding it with the left hand. So this time we're going to come into a twist. So I want you to keep your feet flexed. I'm going to be bringing that left elbow back, but I don't want you taking it out to the side. I want you to bring it in by your ribs as you twist and then come back to center. So twist and back to center. This is not only working our arms, it's working our waist as well. Do 2 more. Last one. Switch the little band onto the right. Hold it with the right hand. Make sure you're sitting up tall and bringing that elbow in by the rib as you twist to look over that right shoulder and back to center. The elbow in close to the rib. Keep your spine tall and straight, so try not to let your spine collapse here. Let's do 3 more. And release, take the band off. So you'll feel that in your arms, in your legs. So that's just a little short routine you could do and fit into your daily routine. So it's not going to take you too much time. It'll work your legs and your arms. And please do let me know, is there any other areas you want to work on? And I'll do more little videos. Please do subscribe, like, comment. I really would like to grow my channel and help other women in their 50s with fitness, health, beauty. I do face yoga as well. So please check out my channel. And if you like what you see, then please subscribe. So I'll say goodbye for now, and I hope to see you again too. And